You've written, recorded, and released your latest track, EP, or album to streaming services. What next? In this video, I'll show you how to use DistroKid's Hyperfollow, one of the best ways to share your music online. It lets you share one link that, when opened, lets your fans select how they want to listen to your music. Here's how it works. This video is sponsored by DistroKid. If you don't already have a DistroKid distribution plan and want to release your music onto every streaming platform under the sun, get involved through the link in the description below this video and you'll save 7% on any yearly plan. You can access Hyperfollow from DistroKid's homepage via the menu at the top. When you click on Hyperfollow, you'll be able to select from every track, EP, or album you've released on DistroKid. I'm going to select a single I released through my vaporwave/synthwave project, Future Fathers, Hikikomori. If I click on the link associated with Hikikomori, I'll be taken to its Hyperfollow page. This is how the page looks by default. All of the streaming platforms here have been set automatically. Up in the top of the screen, I can click to open the Customize menu. From here, I can create a brand new Hyperfollow page, manage all current Hyperfollow pages, edit the current Hyperfollow page, hide the current Hyperfollow page, share the current Hyperfollow page on social media, or select a different Hyperfollow page. I want to edit this page, so that's what I'll select. At the top here, you can see and copy your Hyperfollow page link. In the My Info section, you can change the thumbnail image that's displayed on your Hyperfollow page. This defaults to the art you uploaded when releasing your track. I really like the album art for this track, so I'll just leave it as it is here. Below that, you can edit the song title, artist name, location, and bio info that's displayed on your page too. In the next section, you can add, remove, and reorder links to streaming platforms, websites, and whatever you want really. I'm going to take out the links to a few streaming platforms here. I'm also going to add a link to my website here. When adding a link, your Hyperfollow page will try to pull in an image from the site you're linking to. You can see it's pulled in a thumbnail from the GarageBand guide website, and I have the option to crop it if I need to. In the next section, you can add links to any social media accounts you're a part of. Next, you can actually embed a YouTube video onto your Hyperfollow page here. I'll add this one that DistroKid actually created for me when I uploaded and released the track. Below that, you can upload an audio file and have it be immediately playable directly from your page. And below that, you can paste in a tracking code, like from Google Analytics, for example, to track exactly how often your page is being opened and interacted with. Once you've tinkered with all the different options, hit save and your Hyperfollow page will be ready to go. Now, when you share your Hyperfollow link, either by sending it directly or by putting it in your social media profiles, for example, or on your website, your listeners will be able to select what streaming platform to listen to that track on, as well as check out any videos you want to add or follow you on social platforms. It's a brilliant way to promote your music and yourself with one simple link. If Hyperfollow pages look good to you, remember you can save 7% on any DistroKid plan by going through the link in the description below this video. Let me know what you think about DistroKid's Hyperfollow pages down in the comments, and if you're looking for a way to make sure your music is kept safe once you've released it, watch this next.